Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a document in Google Drive. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up Google Drive. Here it opens up in the suggested menu. From here we just have to find the document that we want to share and then tap on the three dots next to its name. And then at the top we can tap on share. And now we can add the people that we want to share this document with. Here at the bottom we can set what kind of access they have to this document, and when we are done we can just tap on the send button in the top right corner. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.